there's someone, he gives the light to this dark sky. If there's someone, he gives the rain to this suffering earth. If there's someone, he gives the happiness to the sentient beings. It's none other than you, my Guru, my Holiness. You were born in a very honored family and given the name called Hamutundu. The footsteps you took from Taxi to Lhasa was the very starting point for great legacy in history. From then on, you became the eyes and heart of Tibetans, and the only refuge and guru that we trust in this life and next life. We deeply believe in you from the bottom of our hearts, and we never and ever forget that, my Guru, my Holiness. The very sudden black storms of unavoidable torment, and the very harsh incursion and oppression which forced many people to live. The brilliant snow mountains, the wide and beautiful grassland, the highly venerable mountains, and the sweetest and purest rivers, and the very loving motherland, beyond any passion and regret, but we just followed you. You regard it a great luck and fortune and happiness of this life, my Guru, my Holiness. Your mind is absorbed in peace. Your heart is combined with love and compassion. Hence, for the living beings, you are the only sun on the sky, and you are the only moon in this planet. My Guru, my Holiness. You are taking three kinds of responsibilities. As a human being, you take the responsibility of human welfare. As a religious figure, you effort to create harmony among religions. As a Tibetan, you are the symbol of love, kindness, and narrow and reverence. My Guru, my Holiness. You were awarded the Great Nobel Peace Prize as known as not only for the goodwill of yourself, but it was an honor for the human beings. Likewise, you were awarded a huge number of religious and humanitarian awards. However, you work not only for the awards for the entire sentient around the world. And because of facts of your compassion, care, and love, so many thousands people are attracted, my Guru, my Holiness. On this auspicious occasion for your 80th birthday, we are not going to tell the sad story of loss. We are not going to share the tears of missing our parents. Let us to keep the sorrows and sadness in the depth of our heart for the moment. And let us wish and celebrate the most important day, the day of His Holiness, 14th day. We pray for your long life.